Hello everyone, PNG Images here. If you want to create a high quality thumbnail of Among Us for your YouTube video or live stream, then you are at the right spot. In this video, I'll be showing you how we can create the high quality thumbnail using an Android. Let's get started the video. First of all, for this you need to go to the Play Store and search for the PICART. I have already installed this application. I'm gonna simply open it, and here we go. Once the PICART has been opened, here on the bottom as you can see the plus icon, simply click on that. Now scroll down and here are the color backgrounds. You can choose whatever background suits you and suitable for your YouTube video. I'm gonna pick the yellow one, and here we go. Now click on the tools, click on the crop. The standard dimension for the YouTube thumbnail is 1280 by 720. This is the standard dimension, but I'm gonna create in more high quality. I'm gonna set it 920 by 1080. Once you have done this, click on the resize. Now this is the standard dimension for the YouTube thumbnail. Now we will be going to download some PNG images for this thumbnail. Simply open the browser. I have given link in the description. You can go to that website, and from here you can download these high quality PNG images. And on this page you can download the free PNG images of the Among Us type best. From here you can download these free images for any purpose. Don't worry about the copyrights. Now here if you want to download this image, simply hold it and click on the download. The image will be downloaded. Now come back to the PICART once again. Click on the add photo, and from here you can add that image we have just downloaded. From here you can resize the image. Now I'm gonna add the Among Us logo as well. For this, click on the add photo, and here we go. Click on the add. So in this way you can add the images and crop that images for the thumbnail. Now if you wanna add some text, if you want to write tips and tricks or live stream or something like that, you can do that. If you want to change the color of the text, you can do it very easily from here. Now if you want to create thumbnail for the live stream, simply put the text live stream and put it in the left top corner. Make sure to select the red color for this text. Now once you have done that, now I'm gonna add another image of sabotage, and here we go. Now the thumbnail has been created. You can save it. Just simply click on the arrow and click on the save. The image has been saved to the gallery. Now this is the thumbnail. You can use it for your YouTube video. This is the high quality thumbnail, and its size is 319 KB. From here you can see the details. So in this way you can create the thumbnail of the Among Us for your YouTube video or live stream. So this was all about how you can create your thumbnail for the Among Us YouTube video. Still, if you Don't know, just message me on my Facebook and I will help you how you can do that. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial.